let's talk about injection point for CSRF. So CSRF can be gate based, can be post based, but not header based and not a cookie based, because cookie based client don't have access of cookie. So you can try with gate based and post based. Gate based is very simple. You have to send a link to the victim, if they will click, then our action will execute it. For post based, you have to create a HTML file and then you have to execute this. So see this, let's example this now, test PHP. If I am doing here the category posters, if I am searching here cat equal to 1, so okay, no problem. What if I'll just for the request, instead of cat 1, if I'll give there the you have been hacked, and if someone will execute this, what will get? So this is, we are doing this gate based CSRF. So this is your browser now, this is a victim browser. If you will execute this, see, you got in background what you have been hacked. So this is all case of CSRF. So this is injection point, in this case is cat. So I hope it's clear to you about the injection point